What?
Oh my God. You're so funny.
But you look at it now.
Look at what? Please just mind your business. Baby.
Sure.
Honestly, I cannot wait to become your wife.
Oh.
God knows how long I have dreamt and prayed for it.
Don't worry, you're already my wife. Actually, I was planning to go see Mom next week, so I can discuss with her. I pray she's going to approve our marriage so that we can start plans immediately. I don't want us to wait.
Approve? What if she does not approve?
Listen, sugar, she will approve, right? See, my mom is not a bad person. She will love you. Who has ever met you and doesn't like you? Come on, baby. You're already her daughter-in-law.
Are you sure?
I'm too sure, baby.
Anyway, I pray so because I do not want to lose you.
Oh, I don't want to lose you either. Listen, come here. Come. You see, there is no reason to be scared of anything. Because I'm very sure that everything is going to work out pretty well and we are going to be legally and properly married. It's not real 100 million, it's game 100 million.
Oh my God.
Who is that? Who is that?
Baby, are you expecting someone?
No. Who's knocking on the door like that?
We have the pillows.
I'm coming.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get out.
Who is that? Ah, Mama.
That's it. Mom. Hi.
Mama.
Hi, Bosanya.
Good afternoon, my husband.
Mama, you're welcome. How was your journey? I hope it went well.
Thank you, my dear. It went well.
Mama.
How are you?
I'm fine. It's just this surprise that.
Are we good at you?
Yes, I am.
I'm surprised that you are here. I was even planning to come next week.
Surprise. Anna Bazia.
Should
I go?
No. No. It's just this thing.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please, honey, can you just take them to the guest room, please?
Okay, I will.
Thank you, darling.
Here's your phone.
Thank you, my love.
I'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Can I take you upstairs?
Okay. So we should go to the guest room.
Guest room.
Show us to the guest room.
You people should be going, eh? You people should be going.
Guest room.
People should be going. What kind of embarrassment is this?
Which embarrassment?
What kind of embarrassment is this? Eh? Why did you bring Oma to my house?
Chimo.
Have I not told you that I'm not interested in that girl's marriage?
You're welcome. So, here is your room. You and Mama will be staying here, okay? If there's anything you need, just call on me, okay? I'll be downstairs.
Thank you, Nnecha. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Go Ibuna. Keep you online.
I should be the one asking you the same question.
Hello. So, Badro, Mob Munye Dozie. Dozie wife.
Wife? You must be dreaming.
What are you telling me? Ha, Mbao. You are the one who is not understanding anything. Dozie, you are already married to Oma. She is your wife and has been ever since you were barely 10. Her parents were just there to groom her up.
Mama, see this one you just said. It is you and Papa and every other person that know what you're talking about. I do not have any hand in this marriage. You understand me? I was just 10 when you people agreed to do whatever you did, which I am not aware of. So please.
And you think we did a wrong thing?
Yes.
Mba, there is no way you will abandon that girl now.
Okay.
Inugo? Is it because she cannot speak English? Mind you, it's not her fault.
Okay.
That one is not her fault at all.
Okay. It is my fault.
I am the only woman Dozie is getting married to. I mean, Dozie cannot have anything to do with a buffo like you. It's not possible. He's too classy for that. I mean, he can't even descend solo to end up with a village girl like you.
So, Badro, Igbo.
Why not?
If what doesn't just Igbo, not Igbo.
Is there a medal given to people who speak Igbo?
Bam. Medal ni put by. Say no more about Igbo na Igbo. Mu okoro fancha niile.
Of course. I can see that. I'm sure your Igwe cannot even compete with you with the way you speak.
Hello. Can was he? Igwe by Nari Akuri Mugon Jam Gusumi Igbo. The man who wears you over the Hama house. Even in the Hana Soketa Hana Tea book at Kakancha.
Anyways, I don't speak Igbo. I'm a Siri girl.
Hello. Na city you
are the one who is lost here. My friend, here is your room. I'm out of here. It's like you don't even understand what I'm trying to say. You don't understand what I've been saying, right? Okay. This whole place is my house. Like my home. Did you get that now? I am getting married to Dozie very, very soon.
If I'm what I will even neighbor. Nsio na muna Dozie aya nuga no muna Dozie amari. Aya marry go. Aya marry. Aya go onugo mu noya. Okwe what aya na akwado aya anugo. Okwe what go aya marry go. Dozie budim mburu nwunya. Aya marry ga marry.
I'm sure you're joking, right?
Hello, Anamaboga. Okay, I'm going to enjoy. Can you hold the quiet but Mama Jipolum? Mama onatam na bedim Dozie. That now up onatam can be a bimago, maybe I'm not cheer. We can end what a clear and go come mad. If we what I go, Imago dick and wunya, wife ya. Okay, what?
Your father refused her from going to school. He said he doesn't want her to go and mingle with other boys. Just to keep her safe for you. Mama. And now you want to abandon her. Mbano. That will not work.
Mama. All that one you're saying is your own. You see that girl that went upstairs with her? You see how agric she's looking and how beautiful she is. That is the kind of woman I want to marry. Not that Okuko. Not that Okuko. You understand me? That Okuko. In short, I will go and put her in a poultry. I'm not joking, no. I'll go and put her in a poultry.
Isurimia.
Okay.
Does it? Isurimia.
Okay.
Omakageni. Okay. It's not utomana kabwa. Nkani tianya piam. It will not work. Nanya. Oma has come to stay. And she stays.
Mama, it's not in this house.
Excuse me.
She's not staying in this house. Not in Mama, the way you packaged her and brought her to this. Mama, please, go and package her and take her back again. Yeah. Babe, please, I need you to calm down. Please, can you just calm down? Let me explain these things to you.
Explain? Explain what, Dozie? Explain that you are married to that village thinking girl? No. That you are a married man?
No. It's not like we are married. You know, like it's not like we are really married. It's just see, this whole thing happened when I was still 10 years old. I didn't seek my consent. I didn't. I don't know, but it's not like I don't know. But we are not married.
10 years? Who does that?
Honey, that's the madness. I swear to God, that's the madness. Can you just believe the kind of nonsense they're talking? While I was 10 years old, they married me to that girl, like that pig. In the name of my dad and her dad are best of friends, and the dad was sick, was about to die, and they needed the relationship to continue, so they decided to marry me. Me, baby, to that. No, it's not possible. That's what I'm trying to say to you. That's nothing, baby. It's you I love.
So now that she's brought to you, what are you going to do?
What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I have told my mom that I don't know what they are talking about. Actually, if we had a relationship with that family, I can't remember. I swear, baby, they can't choose anything for me. And it is you I love. It is you I want to be with. Please. They can't choose anything for me. It's you I want to spend the rest of my life with. Sugar.
Yes, darling.
I'm sorry for the stress, right? I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Again. Mama. What is it? Again. Talk to me. Oh, Mama, what is it? Again. Why is your face like this? Child.
Nke ụtọ ọcha dugote m na ruma si na duzie chọọ ịnụ ya eziokwu
nke a ka ọ gwa o ji ọnụ egwe gị alụ eme this girl has got so o meghere ọnụ egwe gị etu a na dozie chọrọ ịnụ asị ka ọ na-asị nke a bụ ezigbote asịchala ọkụ she lied nke ahụ ama mme n'ebe a ị na-anụ ife na-agwa gị Dozie is my son and he will listen to me. Inugo? Mana
mama ọ no nyanwa. Kipatazi no bro ni merum Dozie ke dubam. O ji duru dubata m na guess.
Oma. Gbatu onunu. Anyị ka bịachala abịa. Inugo? Dozie ịma onye ọ bụ. He is still feeling naughty. But since I am here, I will make sure that he does the right thing. Okay, me how we say him.
Mama.
Oh ma, calm down. What do? Mama. Mama.
Mama nke bụ eziokwu bụ na boss bụ ụmụaka. Wafu motu gị na dozie isi mago na emefu obere muri naanị. Ọ bụ na onwe ka ife si dị mama gwa m. Ọ bụ na enwe ka mmiri si baa n'opi ụgbọgụrụ. Gwa m na mma aghọta. Ọ ka mma gwa m nke bụ eziokwu ka mma ihe nji onwe m eme.
Okay. Eziokwu dị n'ife ikwu. Nke bụ eziokwu ka m ga-agwa gị. Mama. Negodu m anya. Mam. Nwa mpịrị aka Jonathan. Nke bụ eziokwu ka m ga-agwa gị. Oma. Dozie is dating that girl. Yani and I, ha na-asụ ụsọ. Nke dịka ibia bụ na Dozie si na ya chọrọ ịnụ ya bụ nwa.
Ha!
Eba no kita.
Hello.
Mba.
Mama, hello.
Ebezina. Bankete ka ngwas akwa ichọrọ ịma nke bụ eziokwu. Mana ife nna agwa gị bụ na anọ m ebe a. Agaghị m ekwe ka nke a mee. Enugo. Enyekwa n'onwe gị nsogbu. Rapụ ukwu a.
No, Okuko Igbo ama mara asụ. Ona dozie chetezi no mpia bife kwu na mụ na ya na-abụ ya anụ. Ono chetezi.
O chetakwala maka agwa m ya ife niile. I told him everything he needed to know. Agwa m ya. So asị m gị ebe na ebe na ya ịchọrọ ibe. Gba nkịtị n'anya, nke ka mkpa bụ. Ọ bụrụ maka na ụtụ mmanụ aka bụ egbu gị na asị na aga anụ. Asị ikwenye. Onye ka ị na-ebela akwa. Asị na aga anụ. Ị ma na anụgo gị anụ. Be dị ike nọkwa n'ife.
Makwa mmadụ one bịagoro ndị. Makwa ndị niile bịagoro ndị ma ndị si Kafanchan, ma ndị si America, ma ndị si China. Acha niile nwere onye mkpete maka dozie. Onye ọ gaghị abịazi bakịta gwa m na
gịnị mesia ikuzi na ife anyị na-ekwu. Ikuzi you are here. You are in Dozie's house already.
Mama nkwekwa.
Oh. Ikwusiri anyị ike akwọ nge n'azụ. Anyị emebie. Ọrụ nwaanyị bụ ike ọ. Ịkwanye nku anya na-eti anya pịam. Onya, ọ bụrụkwa ebe ahụ ebe. Nwaanyị maala ife. Gaa n'ọgụ. Zọrọ ife. Akwa ịghọta ife na-ekwu. Ama m gị ọfụma. Ọmarịcha m. Nwunye nwa m. Gba nkịtị. Bebi nke m na-eke ihe. Nwa nnụrụ anụ. Gba onye ọbụla efu ọbụla na-agafe si na Dozie. Ọ ma bata n'ụlọ. Mma nọkwa ome. Ịnụ nwunye m. Efukwala ya ụlọ.
I can see you're already acting like the wife in this house.
Good afternoon, Charlie.
My name is not Chelly. My name is Sherry.
It doesn't matter what your name is. Onye nkuzi Eliza. The bottom line here is that you cannot be my son's wife. Mom. Get that into your head.
I wasn't talking to you, Mama. When I have your time, I will address you. Okay?
Charlie. Hey! Hello, I'm na agwa.
Oma, just wait. Hey! Allow her to vomit that. Finish what you have in your mouth there.
You can only try to separate Dozie and I. But guess what? He will never listen to you. You know why? Because I am the one he sleeps with. Although, yeah, you're the mother. But as long as he still goes down here, you know what I'm saying? He can never listen to you.
As long as he still goes down there. You think because Dozie my own son, that he will not listen to me?
Yes, of course. He will never listen to you. But if you know what is good for you, take this Okuko Igbo, whatever she's called. Take her out of this house. Because if you do not do that, I personally will ask Dozie to kick her out. Hey!
Chineke. What did you just say? Oh, you think because Dozie still goes down there, you can manipulate him to do whatever nonsense you want. Isuwonwe. Eh? Before you do that, I will tell you that I gave birth to Dozie. And I decide who stays with him. Right now, see, you are leaving this house this moment. People try to something.
Dozie, this is a very big problem. How could you be so reluctant over something like this? You know these things exist. Yet you didn't sort it out before getting involved with Cherry.
My brother, I am as confused as anything you can ever think of. I took everything for granted. I thought probably with time, the whole thing will fade away. Probably one day, I, Oma, my parents, her parents, everybody will wake up and say to themselves, this was a foolish act. But instead of that, my mom brought Oma to my home. Bro, to my home.
Hey. Voila.
Like, even the girl self. Me, I even tired for, like, how somebody is obviously showing you I'm not interested. Instead, you are pressing yourself on the guy. I don't want the babe.
But this is not the time for whether you tire for the babe or you not tire for the babe. Dozie, you have to figure out a way to solve this thing permanently.
But that is why I'm talking to you, so that you could help me figure out a way.
I think you're the one to do it, not me.
Hello, babe. What? What's up? Why are you crying? What? Oma did what? I'm on my way home. I'm coming there now.
What's the matter again?
My house is on fire. What happened?
Baby, please don't touch.
What is it? What happened?
Baby, it's your mother and that Okuko Igbo.
Where are they? Mama. Don't even come close to me.
What is it?
So, Mama, this is your plan.
Which plan?
Eh? So this is why you brought this thing to my house. This is why you brought this Okuko Igbo to my house. Mama?
Hey!
Mama?
Dozie, I don't know what has come over you. A sensible soul would have asked, what happened? This thing you kept here pushed me first before Oma gave her the beating of her life.
Baby, that's not true.
Lying, Mama lying.
Mama lying. Mama, I know it's not true. She did. Let me tell you now. Just go into that room and carry all your miserable property and get out of my house now.
You lie. She is not going anywhere. She stays.
Okay.
Mama is your wife.
No problem.
For crying out loud.
No problem, Mama. No problem. Don't worry. By the time I call the police and they arrive here, we will know who is the wife or who is the owner of this house.
Okay. Go police.
No problem. No problem. If she leaves, I live with her.
Mama, I did not ask you to leave.
Yes. What are you implying? You asked her to leave? Automatically, I will go with her because I brought her here.
Okay. Then no problem. If you think that you two have overstayed your welcome, that the same the same Okuko Igbo you brought here, this Itiboribo that you brought to my house, that you people's time is due. Please carry yourselves and leave my house.
So then you're asking me to leave your house?
Mwakini buchiono. Bukachukua na mafichapolo yonu Ijeoma mana mabroma. Na mafichapolo yonu guy mana mabro Okuko Igbo.
No problem. We are leaving. The whole now we hear this. Oma, let's go. Ibo there. Oma, let's go. Let's start go. No, us kwasi.
You don't leave this house now, you see. Nonsense. Hey, where do I start now? Is it your face or your shoulder? Is it your body? Okay, let me give you a massage now.
Hey. Hinka abawa mobi. Na Dozie nwam. Dozie chose a woman over me. My own son. Hi. So what do Oma, let's go. Put that bag. Kaina, I am not in a village. Emesia. Mbanya for dozia. O ga mi ihe o mere onwe ya. O wole ọsọ chụta bag. You go, oh. Put that bag Kaina. Oma. Put that bag Kaina.
Mama. O dozie bi fe nwu na. Na ife ọpụta bụ na ụmụ ahụ ukwu na ọgwụ ya.
Ozugbo ọhịa o kwesịghị ịbụ. Mana ifugonu ka ihe dị.
O nwere ebe nna-eje. O nwere ebe nna-eje.
Uche ya dịkwa ya. Ọ sị anyị na-aba.
Mama uche m dị n'ihe nna m. O nwere ebe nna-eje. Mụ ama nkwa ka hapụ nwaanyị bụ ntukwa na mama m na obibịa narụ mbe m. Mụ ama mmịa. Dozie bụ di m, ọnụgo m anụ bụrụ nwunye ya. Mụ ama nna maka ọkụkọ ọcha mba mmịa. O nwere ebe nna-eje.
Mama, biko ebe a bụkwa township. Uche gị dịkwa n'ihe ị na ha ekwu kịta. Achọkwa nke itinye onwe gị na nsogbu. I don't want you to put yourself into any trouble. Let's go back to the village.
Mama,
biko.
Ihe me ya bụ na agbakogo m ihe m ga-eme. Ihe abịa naba. Chinafe eji.
Uche ya dịkwa ya?
Uche m dị ya. Ihe anaba. Enwe ihe njide aka m chọrọ imegasị. Mma anachi akwa. Ọkwụghọtago. Ya rụzie mma anachi.
Nna ba sọsọ.
Mama achọrọ m ịnachi ya. Nnachiazịa mebezie nkata na nwere nkata mkpa nchọrọ maka mmesi wee bupụta ọkwa ịghọtago. Ọ bụ na nchọ ịbazie ọ bụ na ọwa ọkọzi na ihe niile m mere ọ nwụrụ nke nwe isi eburu m akpa m nataba ama m ụzọ esi anata ụlọ. Mana mụ awa ọma ama rapụrụ nwaanyị ọzọ be m just buru na akpa m n'otu anaba mba mụ na ya emejukwa ya afọ mba ya apịrị ya mụ na ya apịrị ya pijuo ya afọ o merizie m eburu m akpa m nataba o meriri m nya nwe buru akpa si be dị m pụọ mana ọ mama ga-arapụ na mba mma rapụ na ọ ga-emeri m before na.
Anyway, isi na ọ kalụgo obi dị nwere plans. M ga-agọzi gị nwa m. Chineke ga-anọnyelu gị. Ọ ga-ekpuchite gị. God will protect you and help you to achieve your aims.
Amen.
Maka na asị na nwata chọba nke ọ bụla ajọ nwa mana wa oke gị. Inugo akwụ m gị n'azụ chimchim. Inugo mana biko etinyekwa n'onwe gị na nsogbu. Ọ garọ piam nataba. You are my wife. I will not abandon you.
Mama.
God bless.
Ijeoma, oh.
God bless.
Ijeoma. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, oh.
I'm really sorry for all this, everything that has happened, right? I'm really sorry, darling.
Okay, there.
Sorry.
It's hot.
You don't want me to use rub now?
No, don't use rub. Just massage it.
Okay, let me get to work and tell them that I have an emergency at home, then I can come back home and stay with you, right?
It's okay, darling. At least now they are gone. I can rest in this whole house.
Yes. It's okay.
Thank you.
Just...
Ouch.
What are you doing here? Huh? What are you doing here?
Biko, even you na mesoro mama ya naba. Biko. Obi man dum niile. Onye ọbụla nọ n'ụlọ mama nwaanyị nugo di. Mama na afta m ka nwunye mmadụ. Ndị niile bịara ndị fancha niile nwụrụ onye nkwetara maka na ịmagị an mechara ma nugo di. Biko, oge mma dupụta m na mma mgbe na-abịa. Obi no na be dim ka na-abịa ke ka mesi na chiagwa na dim si na chọrọ. Biko, abụrụ m iru meji wee na babu no biko. Nsi ka nye ọnụ biko. Ọ bụrụ maid, ọ bụrụ ọrụ ifichasị ụlọ na-asụ akwa mma ike dị m ike ozi dị m. Biko, ọ bụrụ ọrụ maid ka m na-arụ. Ọ bụ na ya achọtụrụ m obere ego ọkwa ịghọtago. Ọ gbagote ka m pụbazie. Chọọ ihe mmeji onwe mme. Mana biko ụlọ achụna na m. Biko ụlọ achụna na m ụlọ biko. Biko achụna na m.
Mama.
Sir?
Are you done? Are you done? Get out. I said get out!
Baby.
You want me to stand up from here?
No, baby, we can take her as a maid.
Which maid? Which maid? Do you actually want to...
Baby, just calm down, okay? Just calm down. Did I hear you say you want to work here as a maid?
Yes, ma'am.
That's
A maid?
yes.
But this...
Baby, it's okay. I accept her. Accept her as a maid. Don't worry. She'll work here and we'll pay her, okay? We'll pay her. Eh? Just calm down.
Well, if that is what you want, no problem.
Yes, that's what.
I will need to get back to the office.
Hey, darling. I didn't go forget something. I'll miss you.
I miss you too, darling.
Take care of yourself, okay?
I will. Excuse me.
Maid. I like the sound of that. You want to work for us as a maid? Whoa. That's good, you know. Oh, that sounds so nice. Maid. I will so deal with you in this house. You will have to beg me to leave. You hit me, right? You will pay for it.
Madam Biko. Madam, sorry. Oma mmekọtakwa ọzọ maka Chukwu. Mbikwa ya ka again, ma na ya dọrọ m mma. Biko, gbaalụ. Oh.
Oma! Come here quick.
Ma.
Take this list. Go to Good Lucky Supermarket and pick up nail polish and all the things in that list, okay? I've already transferred money to them, so just go pick it up. Start going, no?
Polish nke Igbo on ka na-akọrọ akọrọ nke mmiri.
You don't know what nail polish is. Is that what you're saying? Go test! Go and get it! What are you still doing here?
Hello, sorry. Cortez, I'm Cortez.
You have to trick.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey. Good luck shop and good luck party. What jebe kotonu?
So? You're as fat as elephant. Don't you want to burn the fat? You don't want to slim down? Start going, my friend! See, before I close these eyes and open it, vanish. You are disobeying me, right? You are disobeying me. See, before I close these eyes and open it, vanish. Rubbish. Useless girl. I will so deal with you.
No.
Mama, what are you doing there?
Madam si mụ gaa na nke ndị shop a, ndị gotere ya cotes. Kedu m si ma afa ndị shop a? Ụlọ. Nke ndị lock.
Wait. You mean Good Lucky Supermarket?
Bom. Onya, o si ga ndị gotere ya cotes.
Please come. You mean you are coming from Good Lucky Supermarket?
Yeah, o si gotere ya cotes.
So what are you doing there?
Okwo nsi ga nzuchara obere ike nkwu na afụsị m ụfụ. Ma okwu ma dịgo mma kita.
Wait, sorry. Why didn't the taxi drop you in the house? Why did the taxi drop you here?
Olo, taizikwa. Ejokwu taizi jukwu ka njije. Mana nsogbu adị ike adịgo nkita.
Wait. You mean you trekked from the house to Good Lucky Supermarket and back?
Onye ife abụọ kwa osi ọrụ kwa m n'aka. Mara m enye hom ego ọbụla onye hom go moto. Si nwere ụkwụ jebe ya na m eshika. Ị ga njebe. Oga nsogbu adịrọ ka nnabazie.
No. Please. My son. Please come and enter the car. Let me drop you at home.
Olo. Oga biko ewekwa n'iwe. Iburuze m bunata na moto, nlipụtara moto ka nke ndị nne nwanyị, nke ndị madam. Gịnị ka m agwa madam? Na ị na-ebuzi m na moto, oga biko, ụkwụ m adịgo mma.
Oma, please. I don't want to go this back and forth with you today. Get into the car. Let me drop you at home. Now. Do you like suffering?
Oga biko, ike achọrọ m ka m na madam.
You like Ralph? You want brought mother up or not brought me down? Is this how you like to suffer?
Okay. Babes, you're welcome. Babes, you're welcome.
Thank you, darling.
Don't tell me that you carried this girl in your car.
The question should be, did you send her to Good Lucky Supermarket without a taxi money?
Yes, I did. Why is she a maid? Besides, she's very fat. She needs to burn that fat.
Really? Do you understand that she's human and not your slave? Huh?
Babe, I pay her for everything she does for me in this house. Why should I be spending money on transportation when she's not crippled?
You see, darling, I do not want to warn you. So I'll rather say, baby, please, let this be the first and the last time you ever exhibit this wicked act in this house. I'm talking to you. This young lady is going through a lot and she's trying to fix her life, so please don't make it more difficult for her.
Babe, are you siding this girl over me now?
No, I am not siding her over you. I'm only trying to make you understand that she's human.
Auntie. Madam, nekotesi. Shelly. Na-enyere m aka, o? Na-enyere m aka. Iji aka yi wee chụpụ onwe n'ụlọ. Ma ntado onwe m ofu mkpụrụ afọ.
Honestly, bro, had it been you accepted your marriage with her, by now if you don't get poor belly. Hey, we're gonna be hard going.
You your mom.
But I'm sorry, man.
Since you love her that much, why not get married to her? Or are you not single?
Jerry, what is wrong with you? What is this nonsense?
Wait,
Huh?
you poured a glass of juice on me because I said the truth.
You are lucky, thank your God, that it's just juice. Because some other time, next time, it will be acid. Don't mind their business.
Does this happened in your presence?
Sorry, please. I'm really sorry.
What's this?
I'm really sorry, please. I'm really sorry. Oma! Please, brag. I'm sorry. Please. I'm so sorry.
Doma, thank you, my dear. Chuks Igbo. This is one.
I'm sorry. Please, please.
Just seafood what I enjoy.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm leaving, bro. I'm going home.
I'm sorry. Just calm down, right?
Oga. Good evening. Good evening. Oga, mmanya na-aṅụ abụọkwọ n'ebe a ka uru dị. Ofu bọtụ otu isi mkpọ ya. Ama m na madam ebe ọ bụla nọ kịta ife a o mee ya na-ewutezi ya. Ama m na ofe kịta ọyọ mgbagharụ.
Oma, you don't understand. You don't understand. That girl has a very annoying way. A very disgusting, irritating way of insulting me. Did you see what she did to my friend?
Afọ
Huh?
Afọ
If she felt that what that guy said to her, she didn't like it, couldn't she just as a responsible woman, as a female, drive her point? In a very subtle way. Or even call me aside and say, baby, your friend is insulting me. I don't like it. You don't talk to me.
Yeah.
What sort of nonsense is that?
Ojoka.
Leave this thing, leave this thing, leave this thing.
Hey. Oga biko zien. Ife abụ okwu n'ife ya na-agbakasịrị arụ otu a, wetu ubi, wetuke n'ubi. Tinyere obi ọma. Ama m na ịgbaga enu kịta nọ ya nọ na-eche ka ọ yọọ. Ịgbaga enu kịta ọ ya yọọ biko. Biko ife abụrụ ife ya na-aṅụ mmanya agbakwa ya n'ọbara kịta ijiri ihe ya dịru na-akụrịkọ. Ọ ihe ịchọ. Biko aṅụzina o nke inwe ezugo. Biko. Biko. Oga biko. Isekpu anyị. Biko. Biko, sorry. Ndo. Biko. Thank you. Ndo. Bago. Thank you. Thank you.
Wait right there. What have you been telling your friend that makes him think that Oma, that village girl, is better than I?
Are you seriously asking me that question right now, Sherry? Are you seriously asking me this question?
Actually, it's not relevant. But I just want to tell you that I don't want to see you with that guy again. He's not a good influence. He's a bad egg to you. If it's even possible, get him sacked.
Shut up! Shut up! Listen to me, Sherry. It's getting too much on you. Do you understand me? It's getting too much on you. Whatever is influencing you right now, you should just better control it. Do you understand me?
You see me? See?
Okay. Good na Basadid. Ogabiko, Oka woman no ngwa nwoke a uche adria. O before mago. Onu ma the guys no ma the kin edem because adi me dia.
Oma.
Carry am na oma.
Oma, don't worry. You've been able to lighten me up. I'm fine now.
You
can go.
But I can never go video.
You're a comedian, I think.
I can never video. I go and give my jealous and media. Guess into you. A Sunday, Wendy, a Sunday, Wendy. One sago, weggy, when you know. I can't hold the ziki off my. A Sunday, on your motor, send by your. Aye. A Sunday, Wendy, a Sunday, Wendy. Hello, are you going to tell me? A sago, weggy, when you know. Sherry, I'm going to no. Monocomuna, I miss save. I'm more and I'm more in a bagua. Money, my gay boogie, honey. I want to get make it wow. I want to get make it wow. If I put a boy, I got no gay. Honey, my gay boogie. Honey, my gay make it wow. Honey, honey, my gay boogie. Honey, my. Oh, Paco, oh, they got no gay. Oh, no. I got good money.
Good morning. You woke up pretty early today. I was wondering what the noise was downstairs, so I had to come to know myself. Very loud. Very loud. You woke me up, actually.
Sorry.
But I'm enjoying your dance. Continue. I think it's making you happy. Do more work. Continue.
Oh, no. Uncle Nima.
Yes. Because, it reminds me, you remember when we were still small in the village? Yeah. It reminds me of those days that we go to the square to dance as children. When we used to dance around.
Yeah.
No. But I'm enjoying the dance and the song, Continue. I think it's helping you. Yeah, continue. I'm enjoying it.
Okay. Oh, I guess I didn't call him on you.
No.
Yeah, maybe we had it.
No. It's been a long time now.
Oh, boy, I got you.
Oh, yeah.
Sing it, Paco. Oh, I got you. Oh, 1 night. Oh, boy, I gave you. Oh,
No. I can't.
I can't. Oh, we are forever. I will need back. What come forever? Go bad. Go ahead. Obey. Up to 1 night. About a gay boogie. 1 night. About a gay boogie. What's the other? A apple of a nega. Oh, I need my little boogie.
Does it? Hey!
It's okay.
Does it? You disappoint me. How can you be dancing with this village non-entity? Does it? This is unbelievable. Does it? You.
I'm sorry. David, anyway, Mom, back and Judy. Maya. Kumagane mo gola. Mamezi ambosyozo. Niwe ki mo kwa gola ambosyozo. Mama faka mwiki ime. Ndo.
Mama, the meeting was too long now. I'm too hungry, I beg. I'm very hungry and tired.
You're hungry?
I swear, man, my tummy is turning upside down.
No, you go the phone galadima.
How?
You see they gave you food at home and you refuse eating. Hunger go show you Chyke. You never see anything.
Brother, man, don't remind me. Because, man, that Sherry she's really getting on my nerves. Like, she's really getting on my nerves. She's so annoying now.
See, I agree with you. Honestly, I do. But I think you're beginning to like Oma.
I never said I hated Oma. I only said she's not good enough for me to marry her. I'm even excited now that she came around because she's been making me my local dishes. Not all this nonsense we really chop for town.
At least she's good at many things. Does she can still be your wife if you want it? Yes.
I don't understand.
See, when a woman loves you, she can adjust to your likes. She can fix herself and meet up to your level. Mm-hmm. Yes. Tosie, Oma is a very beautiful girl. Even without makeup, you can still see the beauty. It's so natural and undiluted. See, the only thing she needs is, a little education and she's full option. Mm-hmm.
I don't understand exactly what you're saying.
I am 100% sure that wherever she is right now, she's worried that you've not eaten.
How much exactly did she pay you?
How?
Like, how much did she pay you to advocate for her?
I'm just trying to.
No, you are not trying to. You are actually telling me what to do.
I'm helping
you. No. Look at it from this perspective. You even said to me now that you are sure. You know that. Yes, come in.
Good day, sirs.
Good day.
Good day.
Sir, this is for you.
From who?
From your maid, Oma. She brought it for you, but you are in a meeting. She said it is your breakfast, sir.
She said what? My breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Achao, biko, biko. Makula madam, biko. Oko makutu si yola okoro medi. Amadi mgbe aka m ji wee sapụ mụ ọpị anya. Biko gbaarụ m, mmezi amposi ozo biko. Madam nwere ike ime m ife ọbụla ụlọ ike, o nwere ike ịma m ụra ka ụmụ kpọ pịa m isi na n'ime di ya. Mana onye kwe m dị afọ ebe ọ na-akpali. Biko gbaarụ m o. Biko. Amakwa m na nwere ife iji mkpọrọ. Mana ịbụ ụwa m. Iji gị kpọrọ ife niile dị mma n'ụwa.
Stand up.
Eh?
It's okay. Stand up. It's okay. It's okay. It's just that you surprise me. Like, you confuse me sometimes. What are you made of?
Ịgbagozie na yipukoti, ịbịalie n'ihu. No.
Let's go. Oma,
Okay.
I observed you've been working all day and I didn't see you get some rest. Don't you rest?
Okay. If I na ombo, ika wampi. Kaka wadu
No. See, for health reasons, you need to get some rest.
So what do no? So what can do no? Me was there.
Okay, you know what? In this house, you work, you rest. You work, you rest. Do you understand? That's what I want you to be doing from now onwards. You work, you rest. I'm not joking.
So what do
This your Jackie thing is not what I want here.
no? So was there So what do
I don't even touch you. This your
Oh, here you are. I'll need you to go to my friend, Flora's salon, and collect a wig from her. She is waiting for you. Oh, baby.
Yeah, sugar, how are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing?
There's this document I'm working on. Yeah, that's it.
What are you still doing? Huh? Come here, my friend. Go to where I sent you.
Babe, are you not going to give her money for taxi? That place is quite far.
Which money? Huh? I will not. Neither will you. She has a leg at this Benz. Let her use her leg. Moreover, in the village, does she use transport? Let her use her leg, please. Are you still there? Ha! You want me to throw you out? Fool. Baby, I was missing you downstairs.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Me
why I had
too.
to come look for you.
Yeah.
Oh, baby, are you done?
I want to take some rest.
Ah.
Okay. You daddy?
Get into the car, let me drop you.
Oh Lord, eu sensible. Okay, ebe na ejo dukwe beef. Erugo meru. Biko. Achọghị ihe ọbụla ya esoro mụ na madam. Biko, ebe na eje erugo m ya.
You talk and dog and I'll put it in the motor. Huh?
Aka adona. Na-achọ ịkọtara.
Get into it. Maybe Niger. Huh?
Okpori mmadụ ebe efe ha.
You might never see a room.
Eh? Hi. Sensible. This is my motor.
But I don't know to drop over there.
What talk on home now? I want to come on.
Flora, baby girl. Don't worry, my maid, she's on her way to your place, okay? She'll be there in next 1 hour or even more.
My dear, she already collected it all, which is why I am calling to know why you allowed Dozie take her in his car.
That cannot be true. Dozie went to see a client.
Sorry, dear. He just left my shop with her. You are playing with fire. I told you letting that girl stay in your house is playing with gunpowder. Now Dozie lies to you on her account. My friend, open your eyes,
Dozie. Dozie lied to me. Okay. No problem. I'm waiting for him and that useless village girl. Don't worry. I will deal with them when they come back. If that girl, I'm going to bait her today with acid. Trust me. I must do that. I will do it. You will hear about it. God. Dozie. Dozie is not afraid of me anymore. You now want to stay with a village girl, right?
Now we there here. Now we there here.
Chineke nna biko zien. Onwezikwana ihe ọzọ na ya na-abụrụ otu a. Ka di mma na ọdị m ka ọ bụ love m. Nna biko zana Okuko Igbo ekpere biko. Zanu m ekpere biko.
You're not singing again, though.
Where are you coming from? And how dare you drive in the same car with my husband? How dare you?
Don't do that. Don't do that. I won't let you do that.
Dozie, you lied to me because of this thing.
Yes, I lied to you because you do not love the truth. How could you send her on such an errand? Such a distance without even money for taxi? Why would you do that? Can you trek that distance? Huh?
Why should I? Why should I? Am I wired to suffer?
Oh, I guess she's wired to suffer. You are not, right? The fact still remains that I took her to where you sent her and I brought her back.
Dozie, I want this lady to leave this house, this minute, this second, like right now.
It's not gonna happen. No, she's not going anywhere. And rather, I will advise you to stop this drama before things get out of hands. Give me.
Bataba. Oga.
I want you to try out all these clothes. Then come to the living room. I want to see how it fits.
Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. Chere. Agwara m gị na ọgụ a eji aka ya buru onwe kitikiti bupụ onwe ya n'ụlọ. Agwara m gị akọrọ m agwara ya nke a ka bụ mbido pụọkwa nnọọ nwa akpọrọkwa di m. Olo ka akwa no panteli. Yay! Ona le afu ụzọ. Yoma. Oga? Ne. Oga, me chama de Ijeoma qual é o nome?
Sorry. You are beautiful.
Hello.
Like, you look stunning. You look amazing. You are one. You just look beautiful, my lady.
Thank you. Thank you, Father.
Why is this place like this? Come, let me see.
Yeah?
Come, let me show you something.
Hey.
You didn't dress this place very well. Just wait now, let me.
You're joking, right?
I swear to God, bro. Behind that huge garment that she wears is one beautiful damsel. Bro. I'm not joking, no. That girl carry full option.
I told you, Dozie. I told you that Oma is all you need in a woman. You just have to look properly.
I know. But that's the truth, man.
Yeah.
Because if you evaluate Oma, she has basically everything. You know, she's good, everything. And why are you looking at me like, okay, fine. Yes, I agree. The English part, no. But every other part, yes.
So, bro, as it holds now, this is the time for you to strike.
Strike what?
Don't tell me you don't know what I mean.
Dude, I know I like Oma. I just said so, but I still love Sherry.
I know you love Cherry, but it's not like you guys are still cool.
I love Sherry.
See, Dozie, that's your own business. I'm following you home after work. I have to see for myself.
You have to see what?
The things under the garment.
Obviously, you want me to kill you. You want to go and see what? Okay, when you are coming to see, will you bring your own girlfriend so that I can see?
We're talking about Oma and the things.
No. See, let me tell you, if you really want to see, it's not a problem. Just know that I'll give you to Sassy at the gate before you enter. I better leave my office. I have work to do.
I don't get anywhere and I'll come beat me.
Oh my God. Why is everywhere like this looking so dusty? What has this girl been doing? Oma! Come here! Rubbish girl. Why is everywhere looking like...
Ma, no.
Wait, what is this nonsense? What is the meaning of this? Where did you get this nonsense from?
You like it, yeah? Okuko Igbo, yeah?
Dozie can never buy you a thing like this. It's not possible.
Mane bezili into. I'm not going to be able to. Oga Dozie go tell me. That's not your can na di mama. Okay, atagi. What you worry now? On one day ka don him.
Dozie, but this for you.
Bam.
When did all this one start? What's the meaning of this? Before I close my eyes and open it, go upstairs, change into your usual rag, and bring all the things that Dozie bought for you down here right now.
If you want to Bokota.
Okay, you're asking me. You didn't hear me. What's going on? She's even looking better than me. She wants to snatch Dozie from me, right? It's not possible. Let me see her wear something like this again in this house. I will burn her together with the clothes. Oma, get the door.
So, Oma, why are you still dressed like this? What happened to the clothes I bought for you?
I burnt them.
Sorry, what did you say?
You heard me clearly. I set them on fire. Dozie, what were you thinking buying her dresses like that? When did all this one start? Are you losing your mind or something?
Bro, you need to calm down.
I just need her to answer me. What exactly did you say you did to the clothes I bought for Oma?
You heard me clearly. I burnt them. What will you do? I mean, what's so special about this idiot that you're buying?
Hey! Scatter your face.
Biko. Come on.
What will I do?
Oga Biko.
Sherry, what will I do?
Biko. Oh, I can't do it. Biko, maka. If over time, Madam Kubina, dear Maka, and Joy, never Biko. It is one no maid.
Shut up! You're not a maid in this house.
Huh?
Don't you ever say that thing again to me. You're not a maid, you're my wife!
What were you saying downstairs? Dozie, what is going on? What is going on that you're not telling me, Dozie? Dozie, you don't want to talk to me, right? You don't want to talk to me. Dozie, I said, who is that girl to you? What did you say she is to you? Ha. Dozie, what did I hear you call her downstairs? Hey. Dozie, you don't want to talk.
I do not want to talk about it.
Dozie,
Do you understand?
you must talk about it. Dozie, because I want to hear it, you must talk about it. Who is she to you? And who am I to you? You must tell me who she is to you. Dozie, I said you must talk about it. Oh. You must talk about it now.
Are you sure you want to hear it?
Yes, I want to hear.
You are sure you want to
I
hear it?
want to hear it. I really want to hear it, Dozie. You must tell me who she is to you.
Are you sure you want to
I
hear
said
it?
I want to hear. You must tell me who she is to you and then who I am to you.
Okay. Oma is my wife.
Hey! What did I just hear you say? Don't say what did I hear you say? Hey, Oma is your wife. Then who am I? Who am I? Tell me who I am to you.
You want to know who you are to me?
Does I want to know?
You want to know?
I really want to know. Tell me.
Sherry, you are my biggest mistake in my life. That's who you are. Yes. How can I help you?
Tuesday, what have I been doing in your life all these years? What have I been doing here?
I'm wondering same too. Because it seems like I've been wasting my years with you.
Please don't do this to me.
Hello. Oga. Oko bodam bu akpada. Yapuzi yona boto I chen no na love won.
Mama, there's more to marriage than just being in love. This whole thing was long overdue.
Ato wan ko de ka ayase na ebuzi ma pa bia bu bia jidi ife ni nu gini ya na eme ya sase ya.
Mama, you don't have to blame yourself. It's not about you.
Oni ya chubia. Ndo. Sorry. Onye?
Come on.
Oga pata.
Can we talk?
With men.
Oma, you see,
Biko, ke run there. Biko.
See, I want to sincerely apologize to you for everything I've done to you. And I also want to seize this opportunity to say that you should please forgive me for treating you this badly. I mean, for denying our marriage, denying you, and even believing in your weakness instead of your strength. I'm really, really sorry.
Hey, what I want to you.
Okay. I want you back. I want my wife back. I want my marriage with you. I want you to be my wife again.
Hello.
Please.
Mwa.
Yes.
It's body come. Okuko Igbo come. Okay, Mama Mara so Igbo.
That is not the problem. I don't mind. I will hire a private tutor that will teach you every single thing you need to learn if that is what will make you my wife again. So that means that we can now go to the village and do the marriage rites as adults.
Yeah. Hello. Good day, actually, what I feel in off. If you don't get up, they catch him.
Okay, here go on a cookie tab and I chose them.
And map Zella. Ebu me bad map up. Because you got drawn. Sharing to me. Zen kiss we grew up upon Moughalu. Feni na bo kwanti buzo bo. Okwano inwa akonuche. I nwete fe na cho. Share.
I love you, you love me, that makes the two of us. I love you, you love me, it's you I want. Love more, onye mkpụrụ n'anya. Love more, mụ na gị ga-ebi. Love more, onye mkpụrụ n'anya. Love more, mụ na gị ga-ebi onye ọma. Mụ na gị ga-ebi onye ọma.